experiment. It's experiment number 1, Frigio Magic Volcano. First we have taken water and mixed with this red food color, and then we add citric acid and baking soda. And
quantity, how much quantity you added?
we have taken 2 scoops of baking soda and 2 scoops of citric acid, and we set them. Now we are at the final stage of this super magic volcano. Can't wait to see. Let's start. Okay. And as you can see, it's going to explode. Out of my imagination. Okay. Mama. And the next thank you, my sister Sana Nani, for giving me this exciting gift. This is very helpful to me, and I really thank you for this, my favorite gift, and for starting my dream. Thank you.